winter, so I am going to start to decorate for Christmas, and I thought I'd do this room first. Otherwise there is so much mess bringing everything down. A lot of things in here I will repurpose from last year, and I will show you in a minute, but I'm going to do something a bit different here. So you know, I've got this sideboard that normally sits in my living room, but for Christmas I always have to bring it here because my Christmas tree goes in there. And I always decorate this bit. These twigs are here all the time, and I've also bought, that was, I would say, in the summer, I went to the garden centre and they had these twigs with little feathers on sale. So I don't know if they were like leftovers from last Christmas, but I bought quite a few of those and I stuck them around. So let me reveal now what my theme is this year. So this year we are doing red and white rustic glam. That's what I've called it. So let me do this. As you can see, I've hung these lights, curtain lights. I will put them on. They are multifunctional, and that's what they are. So these are curtain lights. So first thing I'm going to put on there is this faux sheepskin rag, and I bought quite a few of them last year, if you remember, on eBay. By the way, anything that I'm using, if it's still available, I will link it all in a description box. It's just a thin faux sheepskin rag, so it will be like a snow blanket. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, now I am going to put my church on there, and you have seen it in my recent haul. Let's put the lights on it, not that you will be able to see it. I don't know yet how I'm going to arrange it. I just show you more or less what I'm going to put on there. Then my lovely snowy Christmas tree. And then I have these little trees. I also have from last year a very Merry Christmas sign, which is wooden, so it's quite rusticy. They actually still sell them in a range, so I will leave you the link to that. I really like it, so I don't know, I will put it somewhere here. I think I'm going to use my crystal ball. This is like you know, cracked mirror ball, and I just have it all year round on here anyway, but I thought maybe I will spray it with some snow spray and put it somewhere here like a snowball. And I will probably add some greenery as well, here and there, and maybe some little twinkly lights as well. All these little pigs are from last year, so these are not new. So it will be something like that. I might possibly change it a bit. I might add some more red stuff because obviously we've got no red here. So this is probably not the finished product. Okay, the next thing, remember on my wall here I had 3 of these feather wreaths that I made myself, and I will link that video below and somewhere here. And remember I had like a pink bow and a pink bauble in it. So I am going to reuse them this year because that will be glam. It's white and I have to add something red and rusticy to it. And I have like 4 options, so I need your help with it. So what I thought I'd do first is add these picks to the top of it. Because this is a polystyrene ring, I can just poke them in. and then I've got a little red berry, something like this. Then I've made, I've got this beautiful bow. I've bought roll of ribbon this year, so I thought I put it here, and then I will hang something down the bottom, and that's where my dilemma comes. So let me just attach this bow. I just attached this bow with one of the florist pins. So that's the top of it, and now I have 4 different things that I can hang in the middle of it. So I have this gorgeous rustic looking little birdhouse which has light in it, so I could hang this in the middle. So I want you to choose which one do you think is the best. So could be this birdhouse. Then I've got the much smaller birdhouse with like a beige roof. Can't see what I'm doing. Imagine it that it's straight. Okay, this birdhouse, or I have this gorgeous sledge. I could hang that in the middle. So I could hang that in the middle, or just a traditional red and white bauble. I think it looks the best with the bauble, but I wanted to include some sort of rustic look. So let me know which one is your favorite, because this is so easy to change. Maybe I do 2 with a bauble and 1 in the middle with one of the birdhouses. I don't know. I don't worry if I don't use something, because I can use it on my Christmas tree. So these will be here on my wall, the 3 feather wreath. Now, do you remember this DIY that I did last year as well? Again, I will link this video. I've made it myself, and I'm gonna reuse it again. I'm just gonna get rid of this pink bow and put the red one here, and I will just hang red baubles on here, and I can use it again. So let me now make my wreaths, and I will show them to you when they are finished. And maybe I put different thing in each one of them, so you can see side by side and see which one looks the best. Which one do you prefer the best? Do you like this one with the little rustic house, this one with the bauble, or the one with sledge? Maybe I should have different one in each. I probably won't, because I'm a bit obsessed with symmetry. Okay, so let me know on that, and now I think I'm going to decorate my twigs that you always see behind me when I'm filming. Okay, so now I'm going to decorate my twigs. As you can see, I've got some of those twigs with feathers as well that you saw in the other vase. So I just thought I hang some red baubles and white baubles, but I don't have white baubles down yet, so I just decorated it with those, and I just found in my basket these little berries that I might just attach here and there. I just keep finding these things. So I just hang them on these little hooks that you can buy. I should really have a silver one, but my silver ones I think are still at the loft. Okay, so you have a rough idea what it's gonna look like. I'll probably add some white stuff to it and maybe like crystal stuff, but like I said, I will reveal all that when I do my house tour, because I don't have everything downstairs yet, but I thought I start doing it. By the way, this DIY, those twigs and the vase, I have a video on that as well, so all the videos for DIYs for here I will link for you down below. Okay, my lovelies, that's it for today. I think next thing will be just my Christmas tree. I am not going to film every single bit that I'm decorating. Like I said, I will show it to you in a home Christmas tour. No? Yes, a Christmas home tour. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.